Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to compare Element versus Discord so you can decide which one is better for you. So let's start with the basics. Discord is a super popular communication platform, especially for gamers and communities. It's very polished, easy to use, and packed with features like voice chat, video calls, streaming, and tons of integrations. On the other hand, we have Element. Now, Element is a privacy focused alternative built on something called the Matrix Network. It's open source, decentralized, and gives you full control over your data, which is a huge deal if you care about security. Now, let's talk about the biggest difference here: privacy and control. With Discord, everything is hosted on their servers. It's convenient, but it also means you don't fully control your data. Element is completely different. You can even self host your own server, meaning your messages and data stay under your control. Now we have features. Both platforms support text chat, voice calls, video calls, and file sharing. Element also has things like encrypted messaging by default, which means your conversations are secure even from the server itself. But here's the trade off: Discord feels smoother and more user friendly. It has better UI, more integrations, and features like voice channels that are easier to jump into. Element can feel a bit more technical, especially if you're new. Now let's talk about pricing. Discord is free, but it has paid features like Nitro for better quality and perks. Element, on the other hand, can be completely free if you self host. No subscriptions, no lock in, just your own setup. But which one should you choose? Well, if you want something easy, polished, and perfect for gaming or casual communities, Discord is still the better choice. But if you care about privacy, data ownership, and having full control over your platform, then Element is the better option. So yeah, Discord is all about convenience, while Element is all about control and privacy. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.